Alright, hello, what's going on everybody? Today I have another tutorial video for you. And this one is going to be how to make a simple Minecraft server just to get on, survival, play with your friends, no big deal. Go ahead, make a new folder on your desktop, name it whatever. I'm going to name mine MC Server. Simple, I'm going to try and get this through this quick, but you can pause the video if you're slow. Or, to keep up. Open up your internet, go to minecraft.net. Then once you're on the Minecraft.net website, you're going to go to the download it here button. If you've, and then under your multiplayer server, download this one. You don't need this one. This is for advanced. We're just doing a simple server. So click here. It'll download. And then go to downloads. I already downloaded mine. So we're just going to put that there. Okay, so once you download it, put this Minecraft server in there. Into your folder. You're gonna open this guy, and then it's gonna open a thing and then close, and you're like, I broke it. No, you didn't. You want to look for this file. It's called eula.txt. It stands for End User License Agreement. Just open that guy up, change this false to true, just like that. Save file. Open this guy up again, and this is gonna happen. And it's going to be, this is your server console. It's going to look blank. The stuff used to pop up here. I don't know why it doesn't anymore. I guess they're just trying to make it simple. But once this pops up, you're basically good to go. You can open up your Minecraft.exe, your regular Minecraft game. Just click play. And then this is where it gets a little bit more difficult. The beginning part was really super easy, but once you get Minecraft open, to test that your server is actually working, what you want to do is, we're going to make this full screen real quick. We're going to add server. I'm just going to name this our server. Boom. And then what we're going to type in here is local host. One word. Done. And you should see 0 to 20, 0 millisecond ping. Double click on it, and you should, after a couple of seconds, pop into the game. As you can see, I'm in Minecraft, and if I open my server console here, it'll say players Goodman 1300, and I can actually prove that I'm in the server. So by type in /say hi, and as you can see, it pops up on my Minecraft. So now that we know our server works, in order to get people onto it, what you need to do is we're going to actually delete that. We're going to close Minecraft, and we're going to type in stop right there. And then that should close that. Now you need to open up your interwebs. Bring this over here. Go to google.com and type in what is my IP. Boom. Now you should see a number here. Mine is going to be blurred because there are people out there that do mean things to me with my IP address. You only want to give this out to your friends and people that want to connect to the server. I do not suggest you put this online because it's a bad idea. But yeah, so anyway, this is your IP address. So we're gonna open a sticky note, and I'm gonna type in IP. So we're actually gonna put my IP address in here, and I'm just gonna have to blur it out afterwards. Boom. So that's my IP address, and then we're gonna put in our port, and then our port's gonna go there. Boom. So the next step you want to do is go to Google again. That's fine. Open up your start menu. Type in cmd.exe. Press enter. You're going to get this thing. Type in ipconfig. Or if that doesn't work, type in ifconfig. One of them will work. But ipconfig is what works for me. So we're interested in this part right here. So we're going to open up our sticky note again, make this a little bigger, and we're going to write down our IPv4, which is 192.168.1.147. And then our default gateway is going to be 192.168.1.1. They're probably going to be similar. I guarantee this IPv4 is not going to be the same as yours, but the default gateway will probably be similar. So once you get those written down, you can close that. open up your internet browser, and we're actually going to go to that default gateway, just like it's a website. So I'm going to type in 192.168.1.1. Press enter. Your thing is probably not going to look like this because I have a very special router and I installed my own firmware on it. But basically, you need to find a section that is port forwarding. So in my case, it's under access restrictions. Now, most likely this will say authentication required. And your username is probably admin and your password is probably password. But that is not what mine is. And I forget what mine is. Give me one sec. Oh, did I have it remember it? Crap. Anyway, let me show you how to find your password. So all you gotta do is find the name of your router, and then you type in, say, what do I have? I have a Netgear Nighthawk. So Netgear Nighthawk default username. Default, there we go. So blah blah, click on the first thing, and here's the router login. This is what you're looking for. So the username is admin, login password is password. Simple. So we go back to that default gateway, click here. Google Chrome's probably going to be annoying and remember my password, even though I told it not to. I might have to open Firefox. This is embarrassing. Oh, what did, oh, okay, it came. So, admin, password, boom. Simple as that. Then you want to go to your port forwarding. Port range forwarding, yeah, port range forwarding. Port forwarding, it's just anywhere that lets you put in a name, 2 ports, a protocol, and an IP address. And then what you're going to do is you're going to name it, mine's Minecraft. The default port is 25565. So in your port, the start, end, wherever, if there's only one box, it's fine. Type in 25565. The protocol you can leave as both. And then your IP address is going to be the same as this IPv4 over here. This 192.168.1.147. Do not use the same numbers I am. You need to use the numbers that were in the command prompt when you did the IP config. So once you have that right there, you're going to apply your settings, save, blah, blah, blah. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to start your server, and then you're going to give your friend your IP address that we found on the website. Your actual IP, not your IPv4, your IP address. So, I'm going to pretend I'm your friend now. Okay, Billy Bob, thanks for your IP. I can't wait to play with you on my server. So, they're going to launch their Minecraft. And then, once their Minecraft launches, they're going to be like, oh, Billy Bob, I'm so excited to play with you. I can't wait. Yay. They're going to go to multiplayer, add server. And then they're going to type in the IP that you gave them, which I'm also going to have to blur because people on the internet are rude. There you go. So they're going to type in this, which is your IP over here. And they would do colon and then the port. But since 25565 is the default, they don't want to do that. You just want to hit done. Boom. They get the server. No problem. They're joined in. Same spot. Again, still on the server. Boom, test. Good. It works. Simple as that. So if you have any questions, I most likely can help you. Just put it in the comments. I will respond to you. But if you're asking the same question and I don't respond to you, maybe check the comments. I'll try and respond to you, but like when I did the hacking video, 9 bazillion people asked me how to fly, and I was like, dude, look in the comments. So, anyway. Baby zombie. Ow. Hey, don't be rude. I'm trying to do a tutorial here, okay? You're gonna die. You are gonna die. Oh my god, indestructible zombie. Indestructible zombie. Jeez, I'm gonna eat your freaking brains. Okay, anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you. Put your questions in the comments. I guarantee